Hello viewers, welcome to my channel World Beauty Fashion Trends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you want me to fall for you got to give me something worth tripping over. Love is the wisdom of the fool and the folly of the wise. A lawful kiss is never worth a stolen one. Love is like the sun coming out of the clouds and warming your soul. You know me so well inside out. Your deep acceptance of me is what I love most about you. Once in a while, right in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. Give the kind of love you dream of receiving. My heart smiled when you kissed my lips. What a sweet surprise! If there is joy in the home, then there is love at the heart. I have learned not to worry about love, but to honor its coming with all my heart. Love me and the whole world is mine. The fate of love is what it always seems, too little or too much. There is not anything in the world that comes even close to being as sweet as your love. His mind was a library, and I wanted to read all the books. As the queen has no end, so does my love for you. The goal is to love forever with someone you take seriously. Every day that I am with you, I love you more. It's one thing to tell her that she is beautiful, but it is another thing to make her feel it too. Please viewers, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.